Hey guys, first day of renovations. We have our Shasta 1973 camper. You can see we started peeling off the paint a little bit. It's kind of small, so we figured it wouldn't take a long time. It's about 17 foot. But then, the more we assessed, we realized that there might be some water damage on the inside. If you want to come take a look at the wall here. Kind of hard to tell, but you can see that cabinet's got some water damage here. So we're gonna end up ripping everything out of here. So stay tuned for our renovations. So this is where the bed used to be. We're completely tearing that out. I took down all the curtain rods here. Biggest improvement so far is all the room over here. This used to be the normal table setup, chair setup. We're ripping all that out and looking for any water damage to replace.
Hey!
Oh my God.